The Air Max 95 City Pack expands with the Air Max 95 Big Bubble Hong Kong, a release inspired by the movement and visual intensity of the city. This model stands out through its layered side panels, highlighted by a bold red gradient that shifts from muted brown to deep red and bright vermilion. The transition reflects the glow of city lights after dark. Multiple textures appear across the upper, including mesh, brushed fabric, and speckled detailing, adding depth and dimension. A bright orange splash pattern wraps the mudguard, creating a dynamic street-inspired look. Voltage green lace loops and visible air cushioning provide sharp contrast against the warmer tones, while the black sole balances the overall design. Metallic silver branding on the heel adds a refined finish. Built on the original 1995 Air Max 95 structure, this Big Bubble edition blends heritage with modern execution. As part of a global city pack, the Hong Kong colorway captures culture, energy, and constant motion in sneaker form.